to you live again. See the laser there? What we're doing is we're shooting the laser to make sure that we're level. That's when you know you're really doing it right. See that continuous beat? That's how we get down.
Just like that.
That's how we get down, man. It's no secret how we do this. Not trying to hide. Darmac builders coming to you. Any construction you need to have done, you give us a call. We license contracts throughout the state of Florida. Whether you're doing residential, commercial, or any part of construction, you give us a call. So that's what we do. We're not out here practicing. People trust us with their physical investment here. And we take pride in that. And we understand that. We hear a lot of horror stories, and they out there. But we don't want to be one of those horror stories. Been in business since 2001. And we understand it. So it's our job to be professional and, you know, not to be slight. It's our job to know more than the homeowner. But this is what we do every day. So also too, in this particular job here, I added fiber. Even though I got the wire mesh here, I added a little extra precaution with the concrete. I added fiber. You can't see it, but it's in the concrete. To try to minimize on the crack, even though concrete cracks no matter what. Just take a walk down the sidewalk and you look down, you see cracks in it. But this is where we are.